Typically, ASAP users input their data files using either the ASAP scripting editor or the ASAP builder. However, within ASAP, you can create your files using any number of text editors, including Python, VBscript, JavaScript, as well as other languages. And let's show how we would do that. I'm going to start by opening up a new INR script window. And you'll notice I have a little option on my toolbar here. And what this allows me to do is select a particular language that I want to use. Again, Python, VBscript, Jscript, PearlScript, etc. The advantage to using one of these other editors is ASAP is fundamentally a programming language. And to learn to use ASAP, you need to learn the programming language. If you already are familiar and comfortable with a programming language, such as VBscript or Jscript, then what you can do is use the programming constructs of these languages and then simply add the ASAP command structures as necessary. This will allow you to do things like nested looping, if-then-else statements, etc., without having to learn the ASAP scripting methods. Within the ASAP examples database, we do include some Jscript examples and VBscript examples for some simple ASAP files. You can also, again, create your own VBscript, JavaScript, or other script files. And to do that is very simple. You just select the appropriate editor. For instance, let me choose the Python here. And now I'm going to open up a file. And in this particular case, I have a file, lensarray.py. It is a file written in Python. And here is the Python script. Many of the commands are the ASAP commands, but the rest of them are basically the Python commands. And in particular, what we're doing here is setting up a nested loop to create a series of lenslet arrays. So instead of using ASAP programming constructs, we're doing it all within the Python language, but just calling those ASAP commands for plots and windows as necessary. So again, you're not limited to using the ASAP scripting editor or the ASAP builder, or even limited to using the ASAP programming language. You're free to use any programming language you'd like and simply add the ASAP command structure to the capabilities of that language.